Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out Facebook on other devices. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Facebook application in your mobile. Then tap on the profile picture or these three bars in the top right corner here. And then tap on this gear icon here for settings and privacy. And you can see this option see more in account center. Just simply tap on it. Then tap on this password and security, and now you can see this option here where you are logged in. Just simply tap on it and you will see all of these devices here you have logged in. You can simply tap on it and you can simply tap on this select devices to log out, and then you can select the device and then simply tap on this log out. Or if there are a lot of devices, you can simply tap on this select all and then tap on logout, and you will be logged out from all devices. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.